What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video finally. Today I'm going to bring you a full wash day and style with Shea Moisture products, and I'm so excited because these are some of the products from my SHEABASSADOR box. If you do not know what I'm talking about, go down in my description box and I'll link the video of that exciting news. But if you do, then you already know I have my hair braided in a protective style, and my first box shipped like that same week that I got my hair done. So it's been a little over a month that I've been like itching and dying to crack open some of these bottles for these products. So I'm so excited. So stay tuned, get comfy, take a seat, and let's get started. As you can see, my hair is super dry, I'm super crusty and nasty, so I'm coming through with some warm water. I'm fully saturating my hair and lightly detangling, just breaking up any dirt or debris, and just getting my hair ready to accept some product. If you don't know, you need to get with the program. So the first product I am using is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Shampoo, and I picked this shampoo specifically because it was noted to be very hydrating and repairing your hair. And coming out of a protective style for 6 weeks, I knew my hair really needed to just like get brought back to life and get some moisture added to it. So this was the perfect shampoo to come in with. I know a lot of people love a nice lather, so this shampoo definitely brought the lather game. As you can see, the little bit that I did use foamed up to something really nice, and it was very cleansing. My hair did not feel stripped. It still felt very moisturized, but overall I definitely enjoyed this shampoo, and it definitely got my strands clean and my scalp. Now, one thing that I found very, very interesting was literally how gentle this shampoo is. I'm able to finger detangle my hair with the shampoo. And if you know me, then you know I would not dare do this unless my hair is under running water or if my hair is like super lathered in conditioner. But for me to be able to do this with just shampoo was a major plus. I did go through and wash my hair twice just because my hair was in those braids for so long. Then I'm wringing out the excess water before I apply the conditioner. The reason I'm doing this is because I do not want the conditioner to just slide off my strands. I really want it to penetrate my hair and get my hair nice and soft and hydrated. I'm coming through with the Curl and Shine Conditioner by Shea Moisture. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of issues with this pump. My hands are all wet, so it's really hard to pump this out. It says to use a dime size amount, but clearly that's not going to be enough for my hair, so this is how much I'm using, and I'm going to slather this all the way from the ends of my hair working up to the root. I'm using a wide tooth comb to really get in my hair and detangle thoroughly. This will ensure that the product is distributed throughout my hair evenly, and this just helps, you know, with getting everything nice and soft and manageable. I'm starting at the ends of my hair and kind of holding on to my hair and working my way up. This is to prevent any shedding and being like rough and pulling on my hair. Honestly, when you give your hair like TLC, it responds, so I try to be as gentle as possible with my hair. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. So this is the finished product. My hair feels really clean, very moisturized, really manageable, and it smells amazing. Overall, I really love these two products together, and I definitely will be using them again. If you would like to see what I did with this freshly washed hair, check my description box. I will have a link of my braid out tutorial, and let me know what you guys think.